Hello friends, welcome to Kendra's Makeup Academy, and today I'm going to teach you how to pop your gloss. I don't know, I heard the kids say that, so I guess it's something cool. I'm gonna just show you how to make your lips look a little bit fuller. You can use this technique with any combination of colors. I'm gonna go for more of a nude, neutral, natural look today.
But you could do this with pinks, reds, burgundies, oranges.
You do you, boo. Okay, start with a lip liner. Line your lips. Probably don't overline them unless you really know what you're doing. This is a critical step to fuller looking lips. Using a liner is going to help so nothing moves past the liner, kind of creates a barrier there. It's also going to make sure that your line around your lips is crisp, and sometimes the skin between like our regular skin and our lip skin gets kind of weird, so it's going to even it all out. Next, apply a long wearing lip color. This is Lime Life's Enduring Lip Color in Birthday Cake. Now that your lip color is applied, let's pop the gloss. Let the Enduring Lip Color dry. Instead of applying gloss all over your lip, because if you apply it all over, it looks super cool, but it can move around. It may transfer to your teeth. Instead, just pop the gloss on the highlights. Then you get that look of a glossy lip, but you don't have the transfer and you're gonna have a lot longer wear. Thank you for attending this episode of Kendra's Makeup Academy, and we'll see you next time.